This was me years ago. I had no knowledge of biomechanics. I just trained as hard as I could. I went to the gym every day for 12 years, 3 to 4 hours a day with exercise and cardio. My best straight leg deadlift was 620 pounds, contest. My best high bar squat was 480 pounds, means nothing. I performed these exercises like a maniac, learning everything I could to improve myself. You wouldn't believe the classes, lectures, and seminars I took, but I was a complete idiot and wasted my time. The amount of time and effort and money I wasted and the damage I did to my body still haunts me. All the hours, all the thousands of dollars wasted. So what was my reason for doing these exercises? I must have had one. Well, everyone else did them, including the best in the world, and they also said they were the best. But in this clip where I am lifting 460 pounds, my hamstrings are only getting activated 20% of the total load lifted. I'd be much better doing a hamstring curl. My quadriceps and glutes are only getting 30% and being interfered with by reciprocal intervention. This is not a video to get into the science of biomechanics. You can go to my YouTube channel to see how I explain biomechanics there for you, so you no longer need a personal trainer or to buy any stupid fucking bullshit gadgets. This video is to show you that I too used to believe all the bullshit about exercise from the supposed best in the world. The personal trainers and the coaches and the magazines and the online gurus and the ex-bodybuilders who were very famous. I now know that these are simply people who have no idea what they are talking about, with superior genetics, who have destroyed their bodies to get their achievements and ruined themselves with drugs. I do not have superior genetics, and it is very doubtful that you watching this video do either. Therefore, I would recommend that you learn the perfect exercises for your body. There's only 23 of them, and they are all easy to perform. You can perform them all at home if you want, and your workouts will only be about 30 minutes with no damage to your body and maximum results. If any of you who have a personal trainer or coach don't believe me, please check out my YouTube channel, Castle's Corner. If any of you are personal trainers or coaches, you have no idea what you're talking about, and you need to learn biomechanics. End of the story. Stop stealing people's money and hurting them.